Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to convert your BUSD to BNB step by step. Alright, let's get in. First of all, you're going to have to locate your Trust Wallet app. Mine is on my home screen, so we're going to be making use of that. You click on the Trust Wallet app and you'd be met with an instantaneous prompt asking you to input your passcode like so. Once you've inputted your passcode, we're going to be looking for the coins we wish to convert, being BNB and the BUSD. Here it is, Binance USD. And from there, we're going to be moving to the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, being the DApps section. Once at the DApps menu, we're going to be looking for a popular website known as PancakeSwap or a popular exchange known as PancakeSwap. You click on it. Whilst waiting, you make sure you're on the Smart Chain network since we're dealing with Smart Chain coins. Whilst you're there, you select the coin you wish to exchange by simply tapping on the coin logo, like so, BNB. You wish to exchange BNB for BUSD. You wish to exchange cake for BNB, or rather swap. So now we're going to be swapping about 100 BUSD, which is equivalent to $100, for 99.75 USD worth of BNB. And that is how you swap BUSD to BNB. It's quite straightforward, guys. You could set all the slippage tolerances, the expert modes, all this extras, and all you need to do is have an adequate amount of BUSD or BNB in your wallet. And you could also do it vice versa by clicking on the arrow pointing down. Once you've clicked on it, BNB goes up and BUSD goes down. And once that's done, you just enter the amount of BNB you wish to swap. Call it 100 BNB, which is equivalent to 24,568 USD. And all you need to do is click on swap. And that's it, guys. And let's not forget, your wallet should be connected. Your wallet should be connected for this to work. And thank you guys for tuning in today. Comment down below if you have any questions regarding how to swap or convert your BUSD to BNB. Thank you, guys.